None of those boring makeup tutorials here. Let's dive right into some poolside glam. So picture this. You're at the hottest poolside party of the season. How do you keep your makeup flirting in the sun without melting away? I've got you covered. First, start with a killer primer. Trust me, it's your BFF for keeping that foundation in place. Next up, go for a lightweight foundation. Think BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. Let your skin breathe. Now let's talk waterproof magic. Mascara and eyeliner. No raccoon eyes, please. And don't forget a bold lip stain. It's all about that pop of color without the smudge highlighting time. A soft, creamy highlighter can give you that sun-kissed glow. Cheekbones, nose, and a dab on the Cupid's bow. Boom. Now you're glowing, and here's the secret sauce. Setting spray. A quick mist locks everything in, so you can party stress-free. Want more sizzling tips to keep your poolside look on point? Check out AB-FAB Design's latest blog, The 7 Greatest Tips for Poolside Glam Over 50. With videos and bonuses, you don't want to miss it. Hit the link in bio for the full scoop. All right, makeup mavens, get out there and shine. Catch you by the pool, and remember to stay fashionable.